This is 1 cup sake. I've just put it in the microwave to warm it up. Usually drink this in winter time. This costs 222 yen for 300 millilitres. These cups used to be about 180 millilitres for about 200 yen, something like that. There's a lot more competition in them now. You can buy 1 litre. You can buy a 1 litre box for about maybe 700, 800 yen. But the problem with those is once you start getting into them, you just don't stop, because it's there by the side of you and you just keep pouring away. But like I said, this doesn't taste too great, but it's hot, good for winter, and just a little taster to finish the night off. But like I say, about 200, they vary between 100 and 220 yen, between 180 ml, and this is a big one, 300 ml. But like I say, it's not the best tasting sake, but it will do. Hot sake, good for winter. Ow, that's hot. Bye bye.